Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your 2017 Kia Sportage's infotainment system? You're not alone. Many owners face these issues, often due to software glitches or hardware problems. First, try a simple reset. Press and hold the power and volume buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. This forces a reboot and often resolves temporary software crashes. Also, check the infotainment system fuse, located under the hood, to ensure it hasn't blown. Software updates released via the Kia Connect app in mid-2024 address some of these bugs. Make sure your Kia Connect app is up to date. Finally, ensure your car battery is fully charged, as low voltage can cause the system to malfunction. These steps should help resolve common issues with your infotainment system. When basic resets and fuse checks fail to resolve infotainment issues, more advanced solutions are needed. Try clearing the system cache using a USB drive. This may require custom firmware to remove corrupted data that causes freezes. Check for and install any recent software updates through the Kia Connect app. These updates address known bugs in the Android-based system. Persistent issues often indicate hardware failure, such as a faulty amplifier. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics and seek professional help. By 2025, Kia emphasizes software solutions, but support for the 2017 Sportage will end by 2027. Expect aftermarket upgrades or full replacements costing $1,000 to $2,000. Emerging trends include AI diagnostics and cloud repairs, but be aware of cybersecurity risks in connected systems. When DIY solutions don't work, professional diagnosis is essential. Check if your vehicle qualifies for extended warranty coverage. End.